Check out how I made this tiny ET home. First I start with a simple box and paint it a really nice blue. This is real wood flooring and wallpaper. After that I add moldings and some shutter doors, a soft rug, custom built shelving, and a window. This is the back wall. It's finally starting to come together. I loved adding tiny games and toys from the 80s. A lot of tiny teddy bears needed to be added. Some of the toys I bought and some I made myself. A Raggedy Ann, a tiny puzzle. And these are actually the actors from the film. My ET is a NECA figurine that I dressed on my own and added a cute glowing red heart.